Over the past few weeks in class, we have discussed the concept of patent trolling. Many people had different takes on what they thought it meant to be a patent troll, and which companies and entities could really be classified as such. This past week, our guest lecturer boiled it down to one simple statement that I thought really summed up the whole concept of patent trolling. A patent troll is an entity or company that sues another entity or company knowing that they will lose if the case ever makes it to court. Often, the litigation is based on ridiculous claims that would never hold up in front of a judge or jury, and the suing company knows this. The whole idea is that the company that sues realizes that litigation fees are high for both companies, and likely the defending company would rather make a settlement to avoid the high costs of a trial. In fact, people continue to make their living solely based on trolling companies and making settlements. In his personal blog, technology guru Mark Cuban also wrote a strongly worded message against patent trolls. He took it to the next level and said that he believes patents in certain domains should not even be issued. This was in response to a patent that was filed on the downloading of movies over cellular networks before the movies are released in theaters, which is incredibly specific and probably illegal. My personal take on the matter is that patent trolling is absolutely ridiculous. The fact that these trolls can get away with this childish maneuver is quite sad. In my opinion, there should be some legislation passed to avoid this kind of behavior, as it tarnishes the technology landscape. If this occurs, then someone who is found blatantly trolling and making settlements would be held accountable, rather than rewarded for their actions. I didn't realize that patent trolling was actually such a widespread issue, all the way from individual trolls to large corporate trolls. The concept of intellectual property and patents is not so that people can make a mockery of the system by simply filing lawsuits left and right. The purpose of a patent is so that if you do find true infringement on what was your original idea, you can receive compensation. Thank you.